Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about tagging assets in maintenance, an essential practice for efficient operations. Let's jump right into it. Tagging assets in maintenance, an essential practice for efficient operations. In the realm of maintenance, tagging refers to the process of assigning tags, unique identifiers or labels, to assets, equipment, or machinery within an organization. This practice is critical in ensuring efficient operations, especially in industries where the upkeep of equipment is vital for safety, compliance, and performance. The importance of asset tagging. Enhanced asset management. Asset tagging helps organizations keep a comprehensive inventory of all assets, making it easier to manage them. By assigning a unique identifier to each piece of equipment, maintenance teams can quickly access details such as maintenance history, operating instructions, and warranty information. Improved maintenance scheduling. With tagged assets, scheduling preventive maintenance becomes more straightforward. Maintenance management systems can use these tags to automate reminders and ensure that all equipment is serviced on time, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Regulatory compliance. Many industries are subject to strict regulations that require detailed records of equipment maintenance. Asset tags ensure that all maintenance activities are documented, which is crucial during audits. Compliance is easier to manage when each asset is tracked accurately. Data-driven decision-making. Tags enable the collection of data over time, providing insights into the performance and reliability of each asset. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions about repairs, replacements, or upgrades, ultimately leading to cost savings and increased efficiency. Increased accountability. Asset tagging assigns clear responsibility for each piece of equipment. Maintenance teams can track who performed the last service, what issues were identified, and what actions were taken. This accountability ensures that maintenance tasks are completed properly and on time. Best practices for tagging assets. Choose the right tagging method. Depending on the environment and the type of equipment, different tagging methods may be appropriate. Barcodes, QR codes, RFID tags, and even simple alphanumeric labels can be used. Each method has its own benefits and limitations, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your organization's needs. Use durable materials. Tags should be made from materials that can withstand the conditions in which the equipment operates. For example, in harsh industrial environments, tags might need to be resistant to chemicals, moisture, or extreme temperatures. Integrate with maintenance management systems. To maximize the benefits of asset tagging, integrate it with a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. This integration allows for real-time tracking of assets and more efficient maintenance workflows. Ensure consistent application. Consistency is key when tagging assets. Establish a standard protocol for how and where tags should be applied. This ensures that all assets are tagged in a uniform manner, making it easier for maintenance teams to locate and identify equipment. Regularly update and audit tags. Over time, assets may be moved, sold, or decommissioned. Regular audits of asset tags ensure that your records remain accurate and up to date. This practice also helps identify any tags that have become unreadable or damaged and need replacing. Challenges in asset tagging and how to overcome them. Environmental wear and tear. In industries with harsh working conditions, tags can become damaged or unreadable. To overcome this, invest in high-quality, durable tags that are designed for such environments. Regular inspection of tags during maintenance checks can also prevent issues. Resistance to change. Introducing a tagging system may face resistance from employees who are used to older methods. Providing training and demonstrating the benefits of asset tagging can help ease the transition. Initial setup costs. The initial cost of tagging all assets might seem high, but the long-term benefits in terms of reduced downtime, better asset management, and compliance make it a worthwhile investment. Start with high-priority equipment and gradually expand the tagging system. Conclusion. Tagging assets in maintenance is a fundamental practice that brings order and efficiency to operations. By implementing a robust tagging system, organizations can streamline their maintenance processes, ensure compliance, and ultimately extend the lifespan of their equipment. In an era where data-driven decisions are crucial, Asset tagging stands out as a vital tool for optimizing maintenance practices and ensuring that every asset performs at its best. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.